Do not try to catch your drone if it has no service and tries to land anywhere. Let that motherfucker crash.
Biz as usual. Yeah, I did it. Got lifted, increasing digits. Money, take a break, cause yeah, boy, I live good.
It was beautiful today. That's what happens when you wake up early on a Saturday. Good things happen. Biz Boses.
On my feet, take a step into a world, talking about the real world. Real folks kill folk, messing with the real folks. See, we rather chill though, puffing on some kill joke, doing what we feel for. With the beat, I'm on my feet, take a step into a world, talking about
Yeah, that's the drone, but it won't let me fly with all this wind. Not the wind, but the connection.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you fly here?
Oh, I guess not, but it won't fly. I try to go down there, try to up here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I guess because
It fucks with it.
yeah, for sure. Yeah. All right, man. You have a good day.
As I was packing my gear into my car, I realized I had an hour to kill before I had to be at work. I decided to hike down the peaks away from all the radio towers. I had to position myself where I couldn't even see any towers before I was able to receive any type of connection to my drone. And then, yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
to really be a true human being. To really see it's more than what you see. You need to feel it to make it really right. Need to practice, get your game really tight. Talking perfect, something well worth it. Feeling a success from respect, you deserve it. Over time, learned and I earned it. Play smart, takes one fuck up to burn it. And in turn with my circle gets tighter. Few heads I'ma chop, so I'ma get higher. Someone pass me a lighter, I'ma spark up the fire. Got this OG.
After I got all the shots I wanted, the drone lost connection. This has happened to me before and I was able to get the connection back. There is a setting already programmed into the drone. When it loses connection, it returns to the controller. As I was trying to regain control of the drone, I noticed it right on top of me, about to land on my head. So out of reaction, I grabbed the drone with my left hand. At this point, I tried to place it on the ground so it wouldn't fly off the peak. But the closer I got to the ground, the more the drone wanted to ascend and fly away. Thinking to myself, now I have to sacrifice the propeller so I wouldn't lose the whole drone. Broke the propellers and dropped the drone to the ground. Looking at my white drone, I noticed blood. Lots of blood. My blood.
Right when I got hit, I was a straight shot. Just watching my blood pour all over my drone, realizing I had to stop this bleeding. So I grabbed the bloody drone, all my camera equipment, ran down the peak to where my car was, popped the trunk, threw all that stuff in the trunk, grabbed a rag, wrapped the rag around my hand, hopped in the driver's seat, pulled off. Luckily my phone is Bluetooth to the car, so I was able to call work, because about this time, it's 30 more minutes till I had to start, and told them I couldn't come in. Drove to the ER, found a good parking spot, went inside the ER, and they wrapped me up, sewed up. It was about 18 stitches. I'm about to show you the scar. So that big scar is about 15 stitches. The one right there is about 2. One right there is 1 stitch, and up here was 3. So you kind of get a picture of how the propeller might have hit it. So it's pretty crazy. If you guys really want to see the other footage, the raw footage when I was in the hospital, I'll send you a little link. Just email me at bizboses@bizboses.com and I'll send you some. And yeah, that wraps up this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys again. Remember, please subscribe, please like, and all that other good stuff. And just live. Peace, harmony, love. Yee!